At 22, I almost died. I was selling drugs at a festival, and somebody wanted to roofie me and rob me, and, you know, stuff happened, and I almost died. And then the next 5 years, all of my friends died. I was alone, lonely, and lost. At 16, I started doing drugs. I had no idea I was doing them. I just knew there were pills that made me feel good. Then I found out they were OxyContin. And then, you know, started going on to other things. I was sheltered. I had no role models really. And at 18, I was kicked out for leaving the religion I was in. I didn't know anybody because of being sheltered, so I started my life in a trap house. 18 through 21 was really questionable. I was making really weird decisions. Somehow ended up in the street life from being a Jehovah's Witness. At 22, I almost died. I was selling drugs at a festival, and somebody wanted to roofie me and rob me, and, you know, stuff happened, and I almost died. And then after that, in the next 5 years, all of my friends died. I was alone, lonely, and lost. And I wanted to find somebody to blame, but I couldn't blame my parents. They had no role models themselves, and at the end of the day, I was a grown man. And I had to realize that I make my own decisions. Last year, actually no, it was a couple months ago, before I came to this program, I tried killing myself. My friend got me a call and I went to a psych ward. After the psych ward, I listened to my therapist and my psychiatrist and reached out to go to a rehab. Somehow they found me this place. I sold everything and fit whatever I could in a suitcase and a backpack and threw away the rest and came out here. I don't know what I'm really gonna do necessarily. I know I'm going to an SLE thanks to Elevate and the people that are helping me out, and I'm gonna make something of my life. I'm grateful for the program itself. Phase 1 taught me a lot about mindfulness, got me into CrossFit. Phase 2 taught me about toxic people and toxic thinking and managing relationships. Phase 3 taught me about taking responsibility and accountability. RSs, which were easily the worst time of my life. And then the last phase was getting an exit plan, meaning to meet great people. Thank you, Adam, for being out here. Nick, for getting me an SLE. And I'm gonna find work and start with a clean slate. It's the only way I can make a living without going back to the lifestyle that I used to live. I just want to say thank you to the staff, the instructors, Tots for going rough on the CrossFit and having the 1 month free workouts. Kai for the security staff, thanks for picking me up. Jeremy and Brandon, you meatheads, I love you guys. My roommates that I've had, you know, Aaron, Danny's not here. Everybody that I've met along the way, I mean, all of you guys are honestly have something to offer, and I'm glad that I met all of you. Thankful for Elevate and for the patience that you guys have shown me, because I know I have a tendency to be a little shithead and be hard-headed. So I can honestly say that now I'm excited and be happy. I'm excited to be happy and live my life truly. And you know who you are. Leave that cat alone.
We believe that you should empower the individual and that we need to show them what went wrong and then give them their power back so that they can tackle addiction as an issue and overcome that.
With your program, how successful are you?
And so we track them all the way through the program and then after the program. And last year we ranked #1 in the entire nation based off of success and overall results.
So if people wanted to get more information, where do they go?
ElevateRehab.org.